New tonight, a new option for potential home buyers is on the horizon. President Trump recently proposed the idea of a 50-year mortgage. A 30-year mortgage is the standard for average home buyers. 12 News reporter Ebony Coleman spoke to two home buying experts that have different opinions about the plan.
Shay Klager, President Trump is hoping it will encourage more first-time home buyers, but one expert who manages a mortgage lending firm tells me there are more cons than there are pros.
I think he's on the right track there. I don't know that I believe in a 50-year mortgage.
For most, home ownership is the American dream, and recently President Trump proposed the idea of creating a 50-year mortgage plan.
The interest rate on a 50-year mortgage will not be the same as it is on a 30-year mortgage. It will likely be higher. So I don't really think that's a good idea for consumers. You're paying a lot more in interest over the years.
Chris Wade, loan manager at Gateway Mortgage in Beaumont, says the average cost of a home in Southeast Texas is $300,000 with a 6% interest rate and a monthly payment of $1,798.
If we stretch that out to 50 years, we're only lowering the payment by about $80. If you're worried about $80 on your mortgage, you shouldn't be taking out a mortgage.
But Sean Webb-Locke, owner of Sean Sold It Team, believes more time means a greater chance for buyers.
Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do to get your foot in the door. You know, maybe start off with a longer term loan to lower your monthly payments to make it affordable.
She says it can also help move the market.
We have more inventory than we have buyers at times, you know, in this state of the economy. If, you know, if this 40 or 50-year term mortgage thing passes, I do feel like it would bring more buyers to the table.
Wade says instead of a 50-year mortgage, he would like to see a 30-year mortgage plan where you only pay interest for the first 5 years.
To lower the payment enough for it to make sense and to keep the overall interest rate at a lower amount so you don't have to increase the interest.
Now, there is no word yet on the next steps for Trump's 50-year mortgage plan. We'll keep you updated. In studio, Ebony Coleman, 12 News.